Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy coming with a new update here on my Toyota Camry 1994. I know you guys been watching my previous video. I'm pretty sure a lot of people watch my previous video. If you have not watched it, go ahead and watch it so you know exactly what's going on in this video. And today, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put my door panels back on the doors. I took my door panel out, restored them, turned them into black and red. As you guys can see here, I got two more here in the back. I'm very excited to put those door panels back on the car. And then after that, we're gonna keep working on some more stuff on my Toyota Camry. If you guys don't know what's really going on, like I said, I am trying to restore, rebuild my Toyota Camry 1994, and I have done a lot of cool stuff on my Toyota Camry, and I can't wait to do some more update on it. And if you guys not seen those videos, go ahead and watch it. Keep subscribing to my channel. I see my subscribers going up slowly, and I really appreciate everyone who's subscribing. Keep subscribing, keep sharing my videos. It shows that a lot of you guys do like the contents that I'm dropping, and hopefully, I can keep dropping some more content about cars, and hopefully you guys will like my content and you will try to do the same thing to your car. That's basically why I'll be dropping videos on my car a lot. So let's go ahead and finish up with this installation. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my door panels back on the car. I'm not going to take too much time, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I'll show you guys the result of how my door panel looks once they are back on the doors. So let's go ahead and finish up with this doors, and then I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. let me know what you guys think about the result of my door panel. If you like the color, if you like the red and the black, does it look good on my doors? And also guys, I'm gonna finish up my door handle and also my door handle cover. I have to spray those and then put them back on the door, and that's about it. So if you want to know how I did it, go ahead and watch my previous video, guys. I showed you guys step by step on how I did it, and also hopefully a lot of you guys would try something like that to your car if it's old, or if you want to restore your door panel. That's the way to do it. And I'll see you guys on the next video, and as always, subscribe.